Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can open Monzo account. First, you need to open Monzo app. Then tap on I am new to Monzo. Then enter your email address. After that, an email will be sent to your email address. Open an email that's sent to you and tap on Login with Monzo app. Enter your country. Choose a type of account you want to open. I am just going to open personal account. Then enter your name and date of birth. Actually not from UK, so I'm just going to change it to elsewhere. Unfortunately, if you live outside of UK or USA, you are not able to open an account. They are going to ask you some questions about what you do for living, how you would like to use your new account. They also ask you to confirm your identity and some other stuffs. Just follow the steps and you can successfully open your account. If this helps you, give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.